A check line in a chain surveying. Options: A. Checks the accuracy of the framework. B. Enables the surveyor to locate the interior details which are far away from the main chain lines. C. Fixes up the directions of all other lines. D. All of the above. Answer: A. Checks the accuracy of the framework. A plane scale is used to read. Options: A. 1 dimension. B. 2 dimensions. C. 3 dimensions. D. All of these. Answer: B. 2 dimensions. The method of measuring distance by pacing is chiefly used in. Options: A. Reconnaissance surveys. B. Preliminary surveys. C. Location surveys. D. All of these. Answer: A. Reconnaissance surveys. Direct ranging is possible only when the end stations are. Options: A. Close to each other. B. Not more than 100 meters apart. C. Mutually intervisible. D. Located at highest points in the sea. Answer: C. Mutually intervisible. When the measured length is less than the actual length, the error is known as. Options: A. Positive error. B. Negative error. C. Compensating error. D. Instrumental error. Answer: B. Negative error. The tension at which the effects of pull and sag for a tape are neutralized is known as. Options: A. Initial tension. B. Absolute tension. C. Surface tension. D. Normal tension. Answer: D. Normal tension. A plumbed bob is required. Options: A. When measuring distances along slopes in a hilly country. B. For accurate centering of a theodolite over a station mark. C. For testing the verticality of ranging poles. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. When the length of chain used in measuring distance is longer than the standard length, the error in measured distance will be. Options: A. Positive error. B. Negative error. C. Compensating error. D. None of these. Answer: B. Negative error. The accuracy in laying down the perpendicular offsets and in measuring them depends upon. Options: A. Scale of plotting. B. Length of offset. C. Importance of the object. D. All of these. Answer: D. All of these. The obstacle which obstructs vision but not chaining is A. Options: A. River. B. Pond. C. Hill. D. All of these. Answer: C. Hill. The true or geographical meridians through the various stations. Options: A. Are parallel. B. Converge to the poles. C. Converge from North Pole to South Pole. D. Converge from South Pole to North Pole. Answer: B. Converge to the poles. The horizontal angle between the true meridian and magnetic meridian is known as. Options: A. True bearing. B. Dip. C. Local attraction. D. Magnetic decline. Answer: D. Magnetic decline. In a whole circle system, the bearing of a line is measured. Options: A. Always clockwise from the south point of the reference meridian towards the line right round the circle. B. Clockwise or anticlockwise from the east or west, whichever is nearer the line towards north or south. C. Clockwise or anticlockwise from the north or south, whichever is nearer the line towards east or west. D. None of the above. Answer: D. None of the above. Due to the magnetic influence of the Earth, the magnetic needle of the prismatic compass be inclined downward towards the pole. This inclination of the needle with the horizontal is no. Options: A. True bearing. B. Dip. C. Local attraction. D. Magnetic decline. Answer: B. Dip. Which of the following statement is wrong? Options A. The magnetic meridian coincides with the true meridian at all the places. B. The magnetic meridian does not vary from place to place on the Earth's surface. C. The magnetic declination at a place is constant. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. In plane surveying, options A. The curvature of the Earth is taken into consideration. B. The curvature of the Earth is taken into consideration. C. The surveys extend over small areas. D. The surveys extend over large areas. Answer C. The surveys extend over small areas. The angle between the back tangent and forward tangent of a curve is known as. Options A. Deflection angle. B. Central angle. C. Angle of intersection. D. None of these. Answer C. Angle of intersection. The error in measured length due to sag of chain or tape is known as. Options A. Positive error. B. Negative error. C. Compensating error. D. Instrumental error. Answer A. Positive error. A line joining the apex of a triangle to some fixed point on the opposite side is called a. Options A. Check line. B. Tie line. C. Baseline. D. None of these. Answer A. Check line. The instrument used for setting out an offset at a right angle is called. Options A. Open cross staff. B. French cross staff. C. Optical square. D. Adjustable cross staff. Answer A. Open cross staff. The optical square is used to measure angles by. Options A. Refraction. B. Reflection. C. Double refraction. D. Double reflection. Answer B. Reflection. The instrument attached to the wheel of a vehicle in order to measure the distance traveled is called. Options A. Passometer. B. Pedometer. C. Odometer. D. Speedometer. Answer C. Odometer. The horizontal angle between the true meridian and a survey line is called. Options A. Magnetic bearing. B. Azimuth. C. Dip. D. Magnetic decline. Answer B. Azimuth. The lines of Earth's magnetic field run from. Options A. South to north. B. North to south. C. East to west. D. West to east. Answer B. North to south. The theodolite is an instrument used for measuring very accurately. Options A. Horizontal angles only. B. Vertical angles only. C. Horizontal and vertical angles. D. Linear measurements. Answer horizontal and vertical angles. In the surveying telescopes, crosshairs are fitted in. Options A. Center of the telescope. B. Optical center of eyepiece. C. Front of the eyepiece. D. Front of the objective. Answer C. Front of the eyepiece. For removing the parallax. Options A. The eyepiece should be focused for distinct vision of crosshairs. B. The image of the object should be brought in the plane of crosshairs. C. Either A or B. D. Both A and B. Answer D. Both A and B. An angle measured clockwise from the preceding survey line to the following survey line is called. Options A. Direct angle. B. Vertical angle. C. Horizontal angle. D. Deflection angle. Answer A. Direct angle. The obstacle which obstructs chaining but not vision is. Options A. River. B. Hill. C. Rising ground. D. All of these. Answer A. River. The degree of the curve is the angle subtended by a chord of options A 15 meters, B 20 meters, C 25 meters, D 30 meters. Answer D 30 meters. The lines passing through points at which the magnetic declination is equal at a given time are called options A isogonic lines, B agonic lines, C isoclinic lines, D none of these. Answer A isogonic lines. A staff reading taken on a point whose elevation is to be determined as on a change called options A foresight reading, B back sight reading, C intermediate sight, D none of these. Answer A foresight reading. In measuring horizontal angles, the theodolite should be turned options A clockwise from the forward station to the back station, B clockwise from the back station to the forward station, C anticlockwise from the forward station to the back station, D anticlockwise from the forward station to the back station. Answer B clockwise from the back station to the forward station. When the centers of the arcs lie on the opposite sides of the common tangent at the junction the two curves, it is known as a options A simple curve, B vertical curve, C compound curve, D reverse curve. Answer D reverse curve. When the crosshairs are not clearly visible. Options A the crosshairs should be adjusted, B the eyepiece should be focused, C the objective should be focused, D the parallax should be removed. Answer B the eyepiece should be focused. A baseline in a chain survey. Options A checks the accuracy of the framework, B enables the surveyor to locate the interior details which are far away from the main chain lines, C fixes up the directions of all other lines, D all of the above. Answer C fixes up the directions of all other lines. Two theodolite method of setting out a curve involves options A angular measurements only, B linear measurements only, C both linear and angular measurements, D none of these. Answer A angular measurements only.